What is up, you guys? Rain Teen here. Today I have this mystery box unboxing from the Ultrasabers. It just got here like a few days ago when I just ordered. Without further ado, let's begin and see what this hilt could be. Here's a little note. Ooh, yeah, I love you. Oh well. I think I need scissors for this. So I just tear it. Whatever. Guess I'll just tear it. Yeah. Wrapping. And this is what I got. Look at this. Let me see. Okay, this is a random one. Let me make sure about the batteries though. Since I noticed on the bottom. Make sure they're inside correctly. Yep. Just making sure. This one feels nice. The yellow, silver. No, it is okay. Make sure it tightens up. And I'm getting ready for the activation with the lights out. Hopefully, or imagine there'll be sounds. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow! I'm the dark side. Join me as Fire Teen. Yeah. Oh my God, so bright. Yeah. But no sounds. Well, that's cool though. So yeah, this is real nice. Oh, so strong. This is so strong, the blade. Let's see what else. Saying thank you for ordering and the letter. Okay, so I received this little tool included, so just for the tightening this blade with it, and you know, just to thank you for ordering this lightsaber mystery box. I mean, I guess I'm gonna take it out, but those index cards, that's where I ordered from. And yeah, this is the thank you, and here's this very, very little tool. Oh my, I don't know if you can see it, but oh well. Well, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.